Hi. What's up guys? Welcome back to the Cheesy Desert Cooking Vlog. I know it's been a really long time since I've last made a video, but I'm back. I've moved. I have a brand new kitchen. So let me give you a tour. That's a tour. Today we're gonna cook a chicken pot pie. Let's just jump into it. Hand transition thing.
Chicken pot pie, as American as a white kid named insert letter Aiden. Here we have a chicken breast, 2 thighs, and a drumstick. This is a little bit more chicken than you need, but you want to make sure you have a leg up on the competition. Step 1. Debone this meat and cut it into small bite-sized pieces. Step 2. Gather your vegetables and also cut them into small pieces. You can use whatever veggies you want. I'm using an onion, carrot, shrooms, garlic, potatoes, and a snack onion. Step 3. In a super hot pot, add some of that olive PP and brown your chicken until it's blue. Season it with some pepper, salt, I'm using truffle salt because we fancy as fuck, and a little bit of cayenne. Step 4. Add your veggies and cook them until translucent.
I also want to apologize for the excessive smoke. It's really annoying. But so is smoking, so don't smoke. Unless the cool kids are doing it. In that case, smoke. But don't do drugs. Drugs are bad. But if the cool kids say that doing drugs is okay, then do it. Just don't do meth. Or PCP. Unless the cool...
Okay, that's really bad advice, so before we add our last seasoning ingredient,
I want you to know that life can get really hard. Sometimes you'll feel alone with nowhere to turn. But no matter what happens, if you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Thyme after thyme.
Yes! I just did that! Step 5. We're gonna make our gravy sauce, so start by amping up the calories with some butter. Once melted, 3 tablespoons of flour, mix it, and now add about 2 cups of chicken broth. This isn't homemade broth, but if you want to know how to make that, link in the top right. When it's boiling, add in some heavy cream to make it rich. Oh yeah, baby, that's how you make that Kardashian booty. Step 6. While your sauce is simmering and reducing, prepare the pie topping. My secret ingredient is using buttermilk biscuits instead of pie crusts. Biscuits are a little more dense and they hold pie stuffing better. All you have to do is get through the paralyzing anxiety of opening one of these. Buy yourself a set of porcelain ramekins, but be careful. Don't let Chrissy Teigen trick you into buying her overpriced ramekins at Target. She doesn't live like us! Now you want to roll these biscuits out so it fits into the ramekin. Step 6.5. Add peas. I like peas. Step 7. Add the goods to the bowl and cover it with your biscuit like a warm blankie. Before you throw it in the oven, paint the top with egg wash so it gets golden brown. Pop them in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And there you have it. So golden, so buttery, so chickeny. I could sing it's so tasty.
Chicken pot, chicken pot, chicken pot pie.
Did anyone get that? It's from a show called Just Shoot Me back in the 90s. No? I'm old? Oh well, me then.
That's it for today, guys. Make sure you look us up. Follow me everywhere at Cheesy Desert Cooking. Guys, this is my buddy here, Hillbilly Billy.
Oh, hey Brian, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How was that chicken pot pie?
I'm telling you, it was fantastic. But you know what's better than that?
What's that?
I just found out my sister is pregnant.
Hey, congratulations. Dude.
You
That's great.
telling me so? I'm gonna celebrate right now.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Have fun.
I'm gonna be a daddy. Woo.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm
Could take you anywhere.
Yeah, right. Passively worried about doing this outside of the apartment and like then just realizing that I'm gonna be on the internet.
Yeah, he is.
I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this